Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BitPay Wallet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your BitPay Wallet, begin by downloading the BitPay app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the app on your device. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen that offers two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If you're new to BitPay, select Create a new wallet. Next, you'll need to choose a secure password for your wallet. Make sure your password is strong and memorable, then enter it in the provided field. After confirming your password, tap on the Create Wallet button. The app will now generate your wallet's unique recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet, so write it down and store it in a safe place. Once you have secured your recovery phrase, tap Continue to proceed. The app will prompt you to enter your recovery phrase again for verification. After confirming the phrase, your wallet will be activated. You'll be taken to the main dashboard, where you can view your wallet balance and transaction history. To add funds, select Receive and generate a receiving address. You can use this address to deposit cryptocurrency into your wallet. If you want to send funds, tap Send and enter the recipient's wallet address along with the amount. Review the transaction details before confirming your send request. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed. Congratulations! Your BitPay wallet is now fully activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.